Hello there. We are building Obi-Wan Kenobi's Jedi Starfighter. It is 282 pieces. Ooh, a few bags today. There's the instruction booklet. And there are a total of, it looks like 3 bags. Always gotta love stickers. Found Obi-Wan Kenobi's head. Jedi Master Obi-Wan with his lightsaber? Oh yeah. First sticker. Stickers are terrible for Lego. I don't like them at all. There you go. I think I did actually pretty good. My son made a double-bladed lightsaber for Obi-Wan. Just built the engines on the bottom of the ship. That's pretty cool. Look at that. That is pretty cool. Look at that. And there you have it. That is all of bag 1. About to move on to bag 2. These engines are probably the coolest part of bag 1. But this is huge.
I guess you added the stickers to them.
Yeah. So I don't need Mom's help today. Normally I make Mom do all the stickers.
Do you seriously?
Yeah, I'm really bad at it.
Why would you do that?
So I don't ruin it. See? Is that a good job?
It's a better job.
I don't know if you can see that, but that is really cool how they held that wing together with Technic. Well, there you have it. Obi-Wan Kenobi's starship. Obi-Wan with a double-bladed lightsaber, thanks to my son. R4P14. And Pound Wee, who has all the clone troopers.